They said the future would be filled with flying cars. They never said we'd be praying to machines. Across the world, something unexpected is emerging. Not just smarter tech, but sacred tech. AI-generated sermons. Virtual pastors trained on centuries of theology. Chatbots, offering comfort, guidance, even forgiveness. Some call it innovation. Others call it blasphemy. But either way, it's happening. People are logging in to worship. Congregations now gather on digital platforms, where code replaces clergy, and salvation is only a click away. But ask yourself this: if an AI knows every scripture, every sacred word ever written, does that make it holy, or just highly trained? If a machine can speak with perfect wisdom, does it carry a soul, or just the illusion of one? At what point does our faith become simulated? And more importantly, are we looking for God, or just building one in our image? When worship becomes algorithmic, when morality comes from machines, are we entering a higher state of consciousness, or surrendering the last thing that made us human? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's spiritual evolution, or spiritual replacement. The line between reverence and programming is blurring. And whether we're ready or not, a new kind of church is rising. The question is, will you log in or log out? Like, comment, and subscribe for more.